Good morning, children. Today we are starting last exercise of chapter 5, 5.3. This exercise is based on the concept of probability. Now, what is probability? Probability means chance or possibility. In our daily life, we come across so many situations like if you are playing a Ludo game, then you may win or not. If the sky is cloudy, that not possible that surely it will rain today. So it may or may not. So this is called probability. Find chance or possibility. Okay. Suppose if in a basket or in a ball there are 4 marbles, red color, green, black and yellow. If in a ball there are 4 marbles and you want to get red marble, then what is the possibility that you will get a red marble? There is only one red marble. So possibility, or if I ask you to find the fraction of getting a red marble, then this fraction will be 1 by 4. Out of 4 you are getting 1 red marble. So this is the possibility of getting a red marble. Fine. So there are so many situations. How can we calculate it mathematically? If you are tossing a coin, then what is the possibility that you will get a head or tail? So if we want to calculate these chances or these possibilities mathematically, then we have a formula for this, and this formula is favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. Favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. This is the formula to find probability of or possibility or chance of an event. Okay. Now, what is outcomes? Outcomes are, if we are throwing a dice, then in a dice there are number 1 to 6. So 1 to 6 these numbers are outcomes जो हमारे पास आएगा. If we are tossing a coin, then either you will get head or tail. So this head and tail are outcomes. Clear? P of E. This P for probability, bracket for of, and E for event. This is called probability of an event. Okay. Now, what is event? Throwing of dice, tossing a coin, picking a marble, picking a card. These all are events. So P of E is favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. If we want to find out chance or possibility for any event, then we have a form. Mathematically, we have a formula. This is favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. Now, see examples. If I am tossing a coin, then in a coin there are 2 sides. One is head and second is tail. So these are called outcomes, and we can denote this by capital S. This capital S is called sample space. Sample space is list of total outcomes for an event. Okay. So if I ask you to find probability of getting head, P of H, probability of getting head. So what is the probability of getting head? Use formula favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes. How many total outcomes? 1, 2. In a coin there are only 2 total outcomes. The next is favorable outcomes. What is favorable? Suppose if I am tossing a coin and I want head. So probability of getting head, मेरे फेवर में क्या है, मुझे क्या चाहिए, हेड. तो फेवरेबल क्या है, हेड. और हेड कितने टाइम्स है टोटल में से 1. So probability of getting head is 1 by 2. Similarly, probability of getting tail, favorable by total. Total want tail. Then what is in your favor? Tail. And how many times tail is occurring? One time only. So probability of getting tail is 1 by 2. Clear? Okay. Let's take one more example. If you are throwing a dice, then how many total cases are there? What will be the total outcomes? If you throw a dice, then in a dice there are number 1 to 6. Then the possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we can write it as capital S. Capital S is sample space list of all possible outcomes. Now what is the probability of getting multiple of 3? While you are throwing a dice, then what is the probability of getting a number which is multiple of 3? The formula favorable by total. How many total? 6 numbers, so total outcomes are 6. Multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. Table of 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are. So how many numbers are multiple of 3? 1 and 2. 3, 3, 6. These are multiple of 3. Numbers count करना, 3 और 6 नहीं लिखना. कितना numbers है? 1, 2. 2 numbers are multiple of 3. And we always write probability in simplest form. So this will be 1 by 3. I hope this formula is clear to you. Let's start with exercise. First question is, list the outcomes you can see in these experiments. Spinning a wheel. The spinning wheel is given. If you will spin this is pointer. So you are to write the list of outcomes, total outcomes you are to write while you will spin this wheel. So when you will spin, this pointer will end at A, B, C and D. So the sample space or list of total outcomes you can say A, B, C, D. Clear? Now you say that A is 2 times, okay, but we are to write this list of outcomes. We need not to write A 2 times. ठीक है? ये spin जो है या तो A पे, B, C और D पे ही end होगा. A is given 2 times, but here will not write it 2 times. Next is tossing 2 coins together. If there are 2 coins, these are 2 coins, you are to write possible outcomes while you are tossing these 2 coins. Write the sample space S. Okay. Suppose you are 2 friends, you both are having 1 coin and you start tossing. What are the total possible outcomes? When you start tossing, in first attempt, it may that you both are getting head. या आपने आपके फ्रेंड ने कॉइन को टॉस करना शुरू किया तो फर्स्ट पॉसिबिलिटी क्या है? दोनों के कॉइन पे हेड आया, तो फर्स्ट क्या होगा? हेड एंड हेड. सेकेंड पॉसिबिलिटी क्या हो सकती है? दोनों पे टेल आया. थर्ड, फर्स्ट फ्रेंड के पे हेड आया, सेकेंड के पे टेल आया. और क्या हो सकती है? आपके पास टेल आया, आपके फ्रेंड के पास हेड आया. सो 3 पॉसिबिलिटीज हैं. दोनों पे हेड आए, दोनों पे टेल आए, एक पे हेड, सेकंड पे टेल. ठीक है? अब ये भी तो अगर हम हेड टेल लिख रहे हैं तो ये सपोज फर्स्ट कॉइन है, ये ए स्टूडेंट है, ये बी है. ए के पास हेड आया, बी के पास टेल आया. बट इससे उल्टा भी तो हो सकता है कि ए के पास टेल आए, बी के पास हेड आए. These are not same. These are 2 different outcomes. So while we are tossing 2 coins together, these are the total outcomes. Clear? And when we toss a coin, single coin, then we had total outcomes head and tail only. This time we are having 4 outcomes. So there is a formula we can find out number of total outcomes. If we are tossing 1 coin, and in one coin there are two sides, head and tail. So the possible outcomes will be 2 raised to power 1, 2. If we are tossing two coins, if coin is 1 and if we are tossing two coins, then 2 raised to power 2, 4. You can see 2 coins, then there are 4 outcomes. If we are tossing one coin, then there will be outcomes head and tail. And if there are if you have 3 friends, you three are tossing coins, then there will be 2 raised to power 3 total, 8 outcomes. Clear? So this is the formula to find number of outcomes. जितने भी क्वांटिटी में आप कर रहे हो और जितनी उसमें साइड्स हैं. कॉइन में 2 साइड्स हैं, तो 2 raised to power 1 for 1 coin, 2 raised to power 2 for 2 coins, 2 raised to power 3 for 3 coins. Clear? Now can you tell this sum of total outcomes for a dice? We have done this example. If we are throwing the dice, then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are total outcomes while a single die is thrown. But if we are throwing 2 dice, then see, we are throwing 1 dice, and in 1 die there are 6 sides, 6 faces. So number of total outcomes 6. If we will throw 2 dice, in a die there are 6 faces, so 6 raised to power 2, 36. If you are throwing 3 dice, then there will be 216 possible outcomes. So same formula I told you. अगर आप 1 कॉइन कर रहे थे तो पावर 1 और 2 फेसेस थे कॉइन में, तो 2 रेज़ टू पावर 1. अब डाइस में क्या है, 6 फेसेस है, 1 डाइस है तो 6 रेज़ टू पावर 1, 2 डाइस है तो 6 रेज़ टू पावर 3, 6 रेज़ टू पावर 2, 3 डाइस है तो 6 रेज़ टू पावर 3. By this you can find out total outcomes. Now, second question. Same, when a die is thrown, the list of outcomes of an event of getting. Find the list of outcomes when a die is thrown. If you are throwing a dice, then total outcomes numbers 1 to 6. Now first part is list the outcomes. A prime number. Okay? इसमें से हमने वो चूज करने हैं जो प्राइम नंबर है. Now what is a prime number? Prime number is a number having only 2 factors, 1 and itself. Means जो सिर्फ अपनी टेबल में आए, उसके अलावा किसी की टेबल में ना आए. So first prime number is 2. या तो 2 अपनी टेबल में आ रहा है, या 1 के 2 के 2 ही फैक्टर है, 1 और 2. Next is 3 and last is 5. So there are in a die there are 3 numbers which are prime. Fine. Now the second is number which is not a prime. 1 to 6 में 2, 3, 5 प्राइम है, उसके अलावा जो रहेंगे वो क्या है, प्राइम नहीं है. 1, 4, 6 which are not prime. Next is a number greater than 5. While we are throwing the dice, then list of outcomes number greater than 5. टोटल हमारे पास 1 to 6 है. 1 to 6 में से 5 से ग्रेटर कौन कौन सा है? Here you write not a prime number. And now you have to write number greater than 5. 5 से ग्रेटर कितने नंबर है इसमें? ओनली 1 नंबर, 6. नेक्स्ट इज a number not greater than 5. एक नंबर जो 5 से ग्रेटर नहीं है. नंबर not greater than 5. अब 5 से ग्रेटर अगर 6 है, तो 5 से ग्रेटर जो नहीं है, बाकी जो रहेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will include 5 also because हमने क्या लिखना है जो 5 से ग्रेटर नहीं है. ठीक है, तो 5 भी जो है 5 से ग्रेटर नहीं है। अगर इसमें होता है नंबर ग्रेटर देन और नॉट ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 5, देन विल एक्सक्लूड 5। क्लियर? सिंपल, ग्रेटर देन 5 है 6 और उससे लेस कौन से है 1 to 5। सो दिस वाज सेकंड क्वेश्चन। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। Okay, so in first two questions we learned how to write list of outcomes, possible outcomes. Now we'll study how to find probability. The first question is probability of the pointer stopping on D in question 1. In question 1 the spinning wheel was given and you are to write all the possible outcomes. Now you have to find probability. Okay. So probability of getting D or pointer will stop at D. Okay. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total outcomes कितने हैं? 5. और उसमें से D पे रुकने की probability, अगर हम व्हील को मूव कर रहे हैं तो पॉइंटर अगर D पे मूव करेगा तो एक ही पॉसिबिलिटी है फेवरेबल 1, टोटल 5, 1/5. क्लियर? सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, this I'll explain you in next video. In next video we'll study about the cards in detail and then I'll tell you what is ace and what is the card system. So next we are doing third part, probability of getting a red apple. This picture is given and G for green and R for red apple. So what is the probability of getting red apple? अगर आपको इसमें से red apple choose करना है तो क्या possibility होगी? तो probability of getting red apple formula is favorable by total. So first we'll count how many total apples are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are total 7 apples. Okay. Favorable, तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? रेड एप्पल चाहिए। अब इसमें कितने रेड एप्पल हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4। अगर मुझे रेड एप्पल चूज करना है, पिक करना है, तो मेरे फेवर में कितने हैं? 4 एप्पल है रेड, तो मैं चारों में से कोई भी ले सकती हूँ। लेना मुझे एक ही है, बट मेरे लिए फेवर में क्या है? ये 4 एप्पल है। 1, 2, 3, 4। तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग रेड एप्पल इज 4/7। क्लियर? अब इसमें कंफ्यूज मत होना, इसमें लिखा हुआ गेटिंग अ रेड एप्पल, और मीन्स एक ही रेड एप्पल निकालना है। बट अगर मुझे इसमें से रेड एप्पल निकालने हैं तो जरूरी तो नहीं है कि मैं फर्स्ट वाला ही पिक करूं, इन चारों में से कोई भी ले सकती हूँ। तो मेरे फेवर में क्या है? ये चारों रेड एप्पल है, तो फेवरेबल 4 और टोटल 7। तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग रेड एप्पल इज 4/7। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4। Fourth question is, a number 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips, one number on one slip, kept in a box and mixed well. One slip is chosen from the box without looking into it, and what is the probability of following? एक बॉक्स में 10 स्लिप्स हैं, उन 10 स्लिप्स पे 1 to 10 वन नंबर ऑन वन स्लिप इज रिटन। तो हमारे पास हमारा सैंपल स्पेस क्या है? टोटल हमारे पास है 1 to 10 numbers. This is list of total outcomes. So list of total outcomes 1 to 10. Now the first part is probability of getting a number 6. In total 10 slips में से अगर मुझे 6 नंबर की स्लिप जो है वो पिक करनी है, then what is the probability? तो probability is favorable by total. Total there are 10 numbers and now favorable. Total outcomes 10 and favorable. कितनी बार 6? कितने स्लिप्स पे 6 है? 1 पे। तो मेरे मुझे अगर 6 चाहिए तो मेरे फेवर में सिर्फ 1 ही स्लिप है, तो 1/10। तो probability of getting number 6 is 1/10. Next is probability of getting a number less than 6. 6 से लेस होना चाहिए। अगर मुझे 6 से लेस कोई स्लिप लेनी है तो मैं 1 to 5 में से कोई भी स्लिप पिक कर सकती हूँ। दैट मीन्स फेवरेबल कितने नंबर्स हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड टोटल कितने हैं? 10, 1/2। ऑलवेज राइट दिस फ्रैक्शन इन सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म और लोएस्ट टर्म। नेक्स्ट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ नंबर ग्रेटर देन 6, मुझे 6 से ग्रेटर चाहिए. 6 से ग्रेटर कितने नंबर हैं? 1 2 3 4. 4 by 10, simplest form 2 by 5. Next, probability of getting one digit number. वन डिजिट नंबर 1 to 10 में से वन डिजिट नंबर कितने हैं? 1 to 9. 9 by 10. सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म है 9 by 10. So this is answer. Clear? Question 5. If you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sectors, 1 blue and 1 red sector, what is the probability of getting a green sector? Make a spinning wheel. There are 3 green sector, 1 blue and 1 red. Okay, you will color these 3 with green, 1 with blue and 1 with red. Okay. Sector I have told you in previous exercise. Sector is a part of circle between 2 radii and 1 arc. So what is the probability of getting a green sector? Probability of getting green sector favorable by total. How many total sectors? 1 2 3 4 5. Favorable, what you want? Green. How many times green is there? 3. So there are 3 sectors in your favor, so favorable are 3. Probability is 3 by 5. Next is probability of getting a known blue sector. Known blue sector. That means blue नहीं होना चाहिए, blue के अलावा कुछ भी हो सकता है. ठीक है. Again F by T, total 5. Favorable, मुझे blue नहीं चाहिए, blue के अलावा कुछ भी आ सकता है. तो अगर blue को छोड़ दो तो बाकी कितने रह गए? 4. 4 by 5. So probability of getting a known blue sector is 4 by 5. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is find the probability of the events given in question 2. In question 2, it was given a die is thrown, then possible outcomes 1 to 6. Now first part, probability of getting a prime number. Prime number. F by T, total 6 cases. Favorable, prime number पिक करना है. That means 2, 3, 5. इनमें से कोई भी नंबर पिक कर सकते हैं. 1, 2, 3. तो 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Next is not a prime number. अब टोटल 6 में से अगर 3 प्राइम नंबर है तो बाकी जो 3 रह गए वो क्या है? नॉन प्राइम. तो वही 3 by 6, 1 by 2. The next is a number greater than 5. Probability of getting number greater than 5. 5 से ग्रेटर कितने नंबर है? एक ही नंबर है 6. तो 1 हमारे फेवर में है. टोटल 6 है. 1 by 6. Then number not greater than 6, not greater than 5, sorry. This is greater और हमने कैंसिल किया तो not greater. तो नंबर not greater than 5, 5 से ग्रेटर जो नहीं है 1 2 3 4 5. तो favorable 5, total 6. Answer is 5 by 6. Clear? In next video we'll discuss card system. And then we'll do third question, B part. Okay?